Alright, what's good, YouTube? We back with another one, man. Part 2 of the Part 3 series. Alright, so today we're going to be going over some smooth rotoscope FX. If you don't know how to rotoscope, or if you're still new to it, like I said, I'm working on a 3-part series. The video before this, I went over the basics of how to rotoscope. Alright, so let's jump straight into it. So once you got your subject rotoscope, just add offset. Start at the top, set the keyframe shift center to, and we're going to do this maybe about 10,000. Alright, cool. Press U on your keyboard to bring up your keyframes. We're just gonna move this on across. Alright, cool. Alright, it's a start. Drag the keyframes out just a little bit. Alright, that's smooth. That's smooth. We're getting there. We're gonna ease those in. Take that back some. Alright, for sure. That's smooth. Smooth. You know what? we're gonna take this to the graph. If you don't know, man, flow, that's the way to go. Let's try this one. Nah, too slow. I want to add a CC motion blur. I'm gonna set this to 50. Next thing I want to add is an ultra glow. And I'm gonna go to load preset. You will go to this one right here, hot plate. You're gonna set a keyframe for the brightness, and you're gonna take it to the end, and you're gonna set this to 0. Press U on your keyboard, bring up your keyframes, F9 or control right click, easy keyframe assistance, easy ease in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave your thoughts and opinions. We got more tips and tricks coming soon. This is part 2 out of part 3. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll leave a description below, so y'all can go check that out. Peace.